Welcome everyone. Today I'll be taking you to King's Lodge, Bandhavgarh, a luxurious resort in the lap of nature. The hotel is only a 10 minutes drive from the Tala Gate of Bandhavgarh National Park. Most of the land in the hotel is forest, which gives you the ultimate experience of living in the jungle with all the luxuries you can imagine. The architecture of the hotel is very minimalistic and they have used as much natural material as possible to give you the feel of living in a jungle. The hotel provides many facilities such as swimming pool, spa, an outdoor gym, an activities room, and much more. I had an amazing experience staying in the hotel. The services are outstanding and the staff is always eager and happy to cater to all your needs. King's Lodge offers you two types of rooms, Cottage Room and Stilt Cottage Room. During my visit, I stayed in the Stilt Cottage Room, which felt like I was living in a treehouse. All the Stilts cottages are surrounded by lush green trees to give you complete privacy. The room has an outdoor seating area where you can enjoy your morning tea and coffee while listening to the sounds of nature. The room is very spacious and luxurious, and it has all the amenities that one may require. The staff takes good care of you. They'll come to your room regularly and make sure that your room is stocked with all the amenities that you may require. Along with that, during winter days, when you'll go for dinner, they'll come to your room, turn on the heater, and put hot water bottles in your bed so that when you'll come back, the room is very cozy and comfortable. The room has a modern ensuite bathroom with both a shower and a bathtub. Most of the toiletries that are provided by the hotel, such as conditioner, shampoo, hand wash, are all made from natural material, which I think is really amazing. Your room has an electric kettle and a French press, along with the manual which has instructions about how to use these appliances, which I think is very helpful and something that is not provided by a lot of hotels. The cottage room has the same layout as the stilt room, but they are not as private. The restaurant has two large dining tables made out of a tree, which gives these tables an unique uneven finish which looks really beautiful. The hotel also has a nature library where you can find many books related to wildlife. The library overlooks expanses of wild grasslands and sal-forested hills. The food is very simple and tasty and it feels like you're having home-cooked meal. Most of the vegetables comes from their organic vegetable garden, and if you'd like, the hotel staff will be happy to give you a tour of this garden. During winter days for the safari, the hotel provides you with a hot water bottle and blanket to keep yourself warm. In the morning, they will pack a proper breakfast for you to enjoy during your safari. The hotel organizes live and interactive session with wildlife experts every evening for you. During special occasions such as Diwali, Christmas, and New Year, they will organize a proper buffet dinner in their forest grill area along with local dance performances for you to enjoy. King's Lodge Bandhavgarh is an amazing hotel which you must visit for a luxurious experience. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.